installing a 1.1-ton heavy glass element in Ulm, the Heavydrive team has to first haul the glass pane over the top of the residential building. The suction pads of the VSG 1500 KS suction system are positioned on one of the surfaces of the pane, measuring 5 meters in width and 2.3 meters in height. The system is attached to the MRK 144 miniature crane equipped with an assembly tip. The VSG 1500 has an extra slim design and an extra large suction range of 3.9 meters. Thanks to the smart Heavydrive technology, the operator is able to precisely guide the glass element beneath the eaves towards the window opening. In a minimum of time, the 1.1-ton heavy glass pane has been fitted into the window opening.